Hey, good morning, guys. Street Trading coming at you with another trade idea video. It is Thursday, the 9th of September, 2021. Look at our hourly chart of SPY. Let's get right into it. Boys just stepped in here about a minute or two ago at the 8 a.m. marks. ETF is just flat right now. Continue with a little bit of selling consecutive, actually, for pretty much all last week and this week as well. There's a lot of chatter as far as not going to talk about tops or bottoms at all, but we think that you're starting to see things kind of unraveling a little bit. Let's just put it that way. This run forever, right? All-time highs forever, every session. I mean, it can't go on, obviously. Continuously. Obviously, the 500 is in spot. It's a spotlight that everybody's talking about. This is more probably looking at more of a dip opportunity than anything else. That said, there are questions floating around, and not too surprised as to the questions from all different sectors, from number of different key smart money movers. So keep that in mind on this dip, right? Keep that in mind on the consecutive selling. Keep that in mind from the breaking high trap, bull trap, to the obviously reversing to the downside, and keep that in mind when you're putting on particular intraday trades, whether you're going to continue to have that sentiment in your long trade or your short trade, depending on where you're at. Even if you don't trade the ETF, doesn't matter. Obviously, the market moves overall, and obviously it's really nice to have that in your wind, be in your back when you're putting on positions. So understand what's going on. The underlying kind of tone right now is a little bit undecisive, and you're seeing that print, right? So September is notoriously this type of action, so keep that in mind. Obviously we're coming out with week and a half in September, of a short week as well. So today and tomorrow should be an interesting session to see if we're going to continue with this selling, or we're going to find some support. So enough chatter. Let's get into what we're looking at. We got 6 right now. We'll chop it down as always, and we always set our alerts from our weekly trade watches. Had a monster yesterday off a backside, off our trigger from a weekly. Put up a video on that as well already. If you haven't checked that out, go have a look. But let's get into what we're looking at for today's session, both to the upside and to the downside. All right, guys, let's get down to business.